She's already forming an opinion of you before you open your mouth. Most guys obsess over what to say, what jokes to tell, what questions to ask, but here's what they miss. Women are watching everything else. The way you exist in a room tells her more than your best opening line ever could. These are 15 silent signals that make women feel drawn to you, and most men have no idea they're even being evaluated on them. 1. The way you treat interruptions. Someone cuts you off mid-sentence. What happens to your face? Most guys either look visibly annoyed or shrink back like they weren't saying anything important anyway. Both are losing moves. The man who gets interrupted and simply waits, calm, unbothered, maybe even slightly amused, signals something powerful. He's not fighting for airtime. He's not rattled by rudeness. When there's a pause, he picks up exactly where he left off, or he doesn't, because maybe it wasn't that important. That ease? She notices. It tells her you don't need to dominate a conversation to feel secure in it. 2. How you handle being ignored in a group. You say something and nobody acknowledges it. The conversation moves on like you didn't speak. This is a brutal little social moment, and women watch how men handle it. The guy who repeats himself louder looks desperate. The guy who sulks looks fragile. But the guy who lets it go, genuinely lets it go, not fake lets it go while radiating wounded energy, that guy just passed a test he didn't know he was taking. Your ability to not need validation in real time tells her you won't need constant reassurance from her either. 3. Your reaction when something goes wrong in public. You spill a drink. You trip slightly. The waiter brings the wrong order. These micro-disasters happen constantly, and your reaction is a window into your nervous system. Most men either over-apologize or get visibly frustrated. Both scream insecurity. The attractive response is almost no response at all. A small laugh, a quick correction, zero residue. You spill something, you clean it up, you move on. That's it. She's watching because she's wondering, will this man make small problems feel like big problems? Your answer is in how you handle the spilled coffee. If you're someone who understands that attraction starts before you even open your mouth, drop silent in the comments. That's how I know who's actually getting this. 4. The speed you reach for your phone during silence. This one is devastatingly simple. The moment there's a lull, most guys reach for their phone like it's a rescue device. It's automatic, almost involuntary, and it signals something specific. I'm uncomfortable with stillness. I need stimulation. She sees that and files it away. A man who can sit in a quiet moment without reaching for a screen, just existing, looking around, thinking, radiates a rare kind of internal stability. You're not running from silence. You're fine inside your own head. That's more attractive than any text you could send. 5. How you acknowledge people who can't do anything for you. The server, the security guard, the person cleaning tables. She's watching how you treat people who offer you zero social or professional value. Not because she's testing you, but because it's the most honest data she can collect. Anyone can be charming to someone they're trying to impress. The way you treat irrelevant people reveals your default setting. A small nod, brief eye contact, a quiet, thank you. These cost you nothing and tell her everything. This next one? It's even more revealing. 6. The way you occupy a seat you're not sure you deserve. You're at a table with people more successful than you. Or you're sitting in first class for the first time. Or you're in a room where you feel slightly out of place. How do you sit? Most men either shrink, taking up less space, touching their face, fidgeting, or they overcompensate with forced confidence that reads as try hard. The attractive version is quiet legitimacy. You sit like you belong there because you're there. No explanation needed, no performance required. She can feel the difference between a man who's pretending he fits and a man who's simply decided he does. 7. Your face when you think nobody's watching. This is the one you can't fake. When you're waiting alone, when you're looking out a window, when there's no social reason to perform. What does your face do? Some men look anxious. Some look bored. Some look vaguely angry without realizing it. But some men have a resting expression that looks settled, content, like they're okay being exactly where they are. Women notice this. It's not about smiling. It's about the absence of visible struggle when no one is entertaining you. That internal ease shows on your face whether you want it to or not. 8. How you let a conversation end. Every conversation has to end eventually. Most guys either drag it out awkwardly, not knowing how to exit, or they cut it off abruptly like they suddenly remembered they're late. Neither feels good. A man who can let a conversation land, who can say, I'm gonna head out, or simply let a natural pause become an ending without filling it, demonstrates social fluency. You're not trapped by politeness. You're not running away. You're just done, cleanly. That ability to end things gracefully tells her you won't cling, you won't linger, you won't make exits weird. 9. The way you move through a crowded space, a packed room, a busy sidewalk, a crowded bar. How you navigate these spaces says something about your relationship with the world. Some men move like they're apologizing for existing, shoulders hunched, constantly yielding, avoiding all contact. Other men barrel through like everyone else is an obstacle. The attractive middle ground is smooth navigation. You move with awareness. You adjust without shrinking. You don't need people to move for you, but you're also not desperate to get out of their way. That physical ease translates directly to how she imagines you'd move through life with her. Pay attention to this one. It's more visible than you think. 10. Your response when someone takes credit for your idea. You suggest something. 5 minutes later, someone else says the same thing and gets the praise. This happens all the time, and your response is a character test. The guy who immediately corrects the record looks petty, even if he's right. The guy who visibly stews looks weak, but the guy who lets it go, maybe even builds on the idea without needing his fingerprints on it, signals something rare. He's playing a longer game. His ego doesn't need immediate feeding. That kind of quiet confidence is almost impossible to fake, and she can feel whether it's real. 11. How you handle being the least important person in the room. You're at a dinner with her successful friends, or a work event above your level, or a party where you know no one. How do you carry yourself when your status is clearly lower than everyone else's? Most men either overcompensate, talking too much, name-dropping, trying to prove they belong, or they withdraw completely. Neither works. The attractive response is comfortable presence without performance. You ask questions. You listen. You don't try to climb the ladder in one conversation. You're secure enough to just be there. That's rare, and she's watching for it. 12. The pause before you react to surprising news. Someone tells you something unexpected. Maybe good, maybe bad, maybe just strange. What happens in the half second before you respond? Most men react immediately. The surprise shows on their face. Their response tumbles out unfiltered. But a man who takes a beat, who lets information land before reacting, signals emotional regulation. That pause isn't slowness, it's processing. It tells her you won't be reactive in an argument. You won't panic when things go sideways. You won't make her feel like she has to manage your emotions. That tiny pause does a lot of work. 13. What you do with your hands when you're listening. Not when you're talking, when you're listening. Are your hands busy? Fidgeting with a napkin, tapping the table, adjusting your watch? Or are they still? Busy hands signal a mind that's not fully present. Still hands signal a man who's actually there, actually listening, not just waiting for his turn to talk. This is subtle, but women feel it. When your body is calm while she's speaking, it communicates that her words matter enough to deserve your full physical attention. Most men don't even know they're fidgeting. Now you do. 14. How you exist when you're early and alone. You arrive somewhere before anyone else. A restaurant, a lobby, a party that hasn't started yet. What do? Most guys look uncomfortable. They check their phone obsessively, glance at the door repeatedly, fidget like they're waiting for permission to relax. The attractive alternative is simple presence. You sit, you look around. You're not performing busyness. You're not anxious about being seen alone. You're just there. That ability to exist comfortably in liminal spaces signals deep self-sufficiency. She sees a man who doesn't need the room to be full to feel okay. 15. The way you leave a room. Entrances get all the attention, but exits reveal more. When you leave, do you slip out quietly like you were never there? Do you make a production of saying goodbye to everyone? Or do you leave with clean intention? A clear departure? Appropriate acknowledgements? No lingering? The way you exit tells her how you handle endings. And every woman has experienced men who made leaving weird. Too abrupt, too clingy, too dramatic. A man who leaves well is a man who can handle transitions. And relationships are nothing but transitions. These silent signals shape how she sees you before a single word is spoken. But here's what happens next. Once that quiet attraction builds, it starts showing up in ways that are even harder to miss. The problem is, most men can't tell the difference between friendly warmth and genuine romantic interest. They get hugged and have no idea what it actually meant. The next video breaks down exactly how women hug differently when they're attracted to you versus when they see you as just a friend. And once you see it, you won't miss it again.